Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Aufhören. To stop or to end. Neighbor's dog barking when you have to study. Rain when you plan to go to the beach. How often do you wish something would just stop? The German word for it is aufhören, which can also mean to end. This is also the topic of this video, so if you're intrigued, make sure to keep watching. Aufhören. 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 Aufhören is a separable verb, which can mean to stop or to end. We know that the umlaut in this verb and the fact that it is a separable verb might seem a little bit intimidating. But hey, at least it's a regular verb. So for now, you don't have to learn all those verb forms. Let's see what that looks like in our examples. Das Buch ist so spannend. Ich kann nicht aufhören zu lesen. The book is so thrilling. I cannot stop reading. Here, it's in its infinitive form because of the modal verb kann. Der Kurs hört in einer Woche auf. The course is ending in a week. Here, it is in the present tense, and you can clearly see that it separates into hören and auf. Als der Regen aufhörte, gingen die Kinder nach draußen. The children went outside when the rain stopped. And here it is in the past form, the Präteritum. But we will mention all of these forms again in the part about the tenses, so don't worry. Der Lärm hörte so plötzlich auf, wie er angefangen hatte. The noise stopped as suddenly as it had started. Hör damit auf. Stop with that. This is a form of this verb you will hear very often. Hör auf. Stop it. Schätzungsweise 70% aller Raucher wollen mit dem Rauchen aufhören. An estimated 70% of smokers want to quit smoking. Das Spiel hat vor einer Stunde aufgehört. The game ended an hour ago. The present tense. Ich höre auf. Du hörst auf. Er, sie, es hört auf. Wir hören auf. Ihr hört auf. Sie hören auf. As you can see, aufhören is a separable verb, which means its prefix, in this case auf, can separate itself from the rest of the verb in some tenses. It can separate in the present tense, but if it comes together with a modal verb like müssen or wollen or können, like in our example, then it stays in its infinitive form. For example, ich muss damit aufhören. I have to stop with that. Der Regen hört auf. The rain stops. Perfekt. Hat aufgehört. As with other separable verbs, G has once again slipped between the separable prefix and the base verb. So when we switch the ending en with t to get the participle, we end up with aufgehört. Or in our example, der Regen hat aufgehört. The rain has stopped. Präteritum. Hörte auf. Stopped. Like in the present form, here we once again have the separation. For example, der Regen hörte auf. The rain stopped. And Futur. Wird aufhören. Will stop. In the Futur, we have the combination of the present form of the verb werden and the infinitive form of aufhören. For example, der Regen wird aufhören. The rain will stop. Want to level up? German has also another verb similar to stop, stoppen. And while its meaning is similar, you would be wrong to use this verb instead of aufhören in situations where you want to describe something stopped or ended. For example, die Polizei stoppte das Auto. The police have stopped the car. You could not say, die Polizei hörte das Auto auf. Stoppen means more to stop the movement of something, while aufhören refers to more stopping the duration of something. In this lesson, we learned about the separable verb aufhören, which means to stop or to end. It separates between hören and auf, and luckily is a regular verb. And now it's time for a little exercise or Übung. Write sentences in the present tense using the given words. Pay attention to the separable prefix. Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!